Hello guys, if you want to demand a release in Madden 27 Superstar mode, you'll need to unlock the option through your agent first, so it's not something you can use right at the beginning. Start by going to the character tab, then open sphere of influence. From there, select your agent, because this is where you will find the career options tied to your contract and team situation. Now you need to build up your agent influence by completing the available agent quest. To check these objectives, press square on PlayStation or X on Xbox, complete the quest, earn influence, and keep progressing your agent level. The important milestone you are aiming for is agent level 4. After reaching level 4, you'll unlock additional options from your agent, including demand a trade. Keep in mind, getting the option unlocked doesn't necessarily mean you can use it whenever you want. If the option isn't currently available, you'll need to continue progressing your superstar career until the game allows you to use it. Once demand a trade becomes available, return to your agent screen, select the option, and follow the prompts to request your release from the team. So the main thing to remember is build your agent influence first, go to character, open sphere of influence, choose your agent, complete the agent quest, and work your way up to level 4. Once you unlock demand a trade, you'll be able to use that option when it becomes available and move on from your current team. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.